Sooner or later, we all face the choice to be a hired employee with a fixed income and not being in control of your own time. To be a freelancer who has more freedom, but whose income is limited by the number of hours in a day. To be an entrepreneur with full freedom of action and unlimited income opportunities, but facing 100% responsibility for both positive and negative results. Or to be an investor and receive passive income, but this requires sufficient capital and knowledge of how and where to invest. Each of these options has its pros and cons. With progress, new professions appear and old ones die out. 100 years ago, no one could ever imagine that there would be such professions as a PR specialist or a copywriter. In its 2013 survey, the University of Oxford predicted that 47% of all existing jobs would disappear within 25 years. After all, now robots work in the factories, self-driving cars are on the streets, goods are delivered by drones, and computers are entering into an increasing number of areas of our everyday life. It is hard to disagree that the career of salesman may be one of the first to vanish. Thanks to machine learning technology, we have created MarketBot. It tracks search query trends on social media networks and web-based retail sites. MarketBot analyzes the number of likes, reposts, comments, and sales, then finds the product at the lowest price and maximum return, and then buys high-quality internet advertising. You no longer need to work for anyone or take on the risks of doing business. Invest in advertising for MarketBot, and you will have complete freedom of action, lots of free time, unlimited income, all with very low risk. How does it work? You pay for the advertising to purchase leads on different related platforms. MarketBot processes requests from customers and books sales, and you get up to 15% cash back on each and every purchase. Activate your robot on AI.marketing now. Buy advertising and get up to 30% passive income per month. As John Rockefeller once said, "He who works all day has no time to make money." MarketBot, the future is here.